Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm here to show you a second way to make Harry Potter's glasses. In my video for Harry Potter, which will be down in the description, I have a video to make glasses like this. But I have since changed it to this, and we're going to wrap yarn around them instead. The reason for this video is I wrongly said to spray paint these, and I don't know if it was the spray paint I used or the fact that it was -20 out, but I brought these in spray painted brown, dropped them on the table, and this is all that's left of what I painted for spray paint, and a little bit, you can't see it good, there's a little bit right here. So I decided to wrap it with yarn, and now we can do it a lot easier way without the all the twisting of wires. So and hopefully this somehow reaches you. I'm going to put I'm going to change the thumbnail on the original video and try and put a little message that says better glasses in the description. So hopefully you find this video before you make too many glasses the way I showed you with the paint. Okay, let's get started. So we are going to start out the same way with our felt pen and our pliers. Find approximately the middle of your wire. Clamp on your pliers. Add your felt pen or whatever you're using to get the round. Wrap it around once. Then you're going to do that on the other side. And you're going to have your little bridge with your two little circles. Kind of clamp them down to straighten up the top a bit. Check with your Harry Potter when you're at this stage to make sure that you have the right amount of space between the eyes. I've done these a few times, so I kind of can guesstimate it. Now this will alleviate having to now go and twist these wires around, or I previously was gluing them, and if you remember and you watched the old video, I said they came apart, and that's why I started twisting them. Okay, and you'll want to make your little arms about a pliers width. You can measure if you need to. Yeah, I can't keep him the right way here. I should do this left-handed, I guess. And you can play with that a little bit once they're done as well. And you are just going to take about 2 arms length of black yarn, find the middle, and then you're going to grab your glasses, and on the bridge of the glasses you are just going to start wrapping the black around till you get to the lens. Then you're going to go in and through across the top, and don't worry about this, we are going to go over this part again after we go around the glasses. Sorry, I'm not really watching the camera at the same time here. So then you start going around your lenses. Make sure you're not leaving any space on this part. This part you want to be on the thicker side. Okay, just tighten that a little bit there and hold on. Now you'll do a little better wrap on this side. Sorry, I'm all fingers today. Once we get around the lens, it goes super quick and easy. Okay. And then once you get on the edge, you're just gonna wrap. Just go around and around. Till you get about where you think it's going to go into the head of your character. And then you're just going to grab your glue. I'm just using a super glue. You could use, well, epoxy is kind of a pain. And then I got just a little bead of glue along, I don't know if you can see. This is a thick bead of glue, but spread it out a bit. And then you're going to wrap that around. However far you think you need to go. And then careful not to touch where you glued. I just stuck my vice grips on here, or should I say my husband's vice grips. Just to hold that, whoops, that's not tight enough. Just to hold that in place while the glue dries. And then you'll let that sit for a while. Okay, that should be dry. Yep. So let's do the other arm. Or I mean the other side. Just wrap till you get to this lens. Oh no. Let me see. Yep. And you're going to start going around this lens here. Couple more times. And then now we'll go across the top. Okay, and then you're just going to wrap around again until you think you're about where it's going to sit outside of his head. about there. Grab your glue. Put your little bead on. And then wrap around again. Oops, I'm getting caught in my other arm here. And then we're going to do the same thing. Just clamp onto there. Hold that tight so it can dry. And I will be back to finish off the ends once that dries. Okay, so that was arm 2. Now you can tie a little knot in there if you want. I'm going to cut some of this yarn off. Way too much. So if you want to tie a tiny little knot in there, you can. Oh, I can't figure out how to put my hands around this camera. I apologize if you can't see, but I know you guys got the idea. And then we'll cut that off. That knot might have been pointless. Okay, you can learn from my mistakes. The knot basically is going to probably come undone when I do the next part. But I can't figure out where my focus is going behind and not up here. It's going to be a bad video, so I apologize on that. So then I'm just going to put a little bit of glue just on the end here. Get rid of the wire, and then I'm just going to fold the wire onto itself here, just so that's a little bit more secure on the end and no pokies. So we'll be smart and cut it first on this side. Add your little bit of glue. Yeah, see there, that knot came right undone. And now I'm gluing my fingers off. Okay, so then twist that. We'll fix that later. The mess we just made. And then we'll just let that sit for a bit before we stick it back into his head. Okay, so I removed the old glasses, and then we'll just put the new glasses right in. So going still along the top of the eye row, go into that hole, and then into along the top of the eye again, into your hole, right where the hairline meets. Just kind of wiggle that in. How you want it. And there we go. Again, I apologize for making them the wrong way the first time. But hopefully you guys find this video and like these glasses as well, or better. Thanks for watching. See you in another one of my videos, and happy crocheting!